Chapter 14. Visualizing solid shapes. Solid figures. Cuboid. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. For example, a matchbox, a brick, a book, an almirah, etc. Cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called a cube. A cube also has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. For example, die, sugar cube, ice cube, etc. Cylinder. Solids like circular pillars, circular pipes and road rollers are called cylinders. A cylinder has 2 flat circular faces and a curved surface. It has no vertices. A cylinder has 2 curved edges. Cone. Solids like an ice cream cone, a tent, and a clown's cap are in the shape of a cone. A cone has a curved surface and 1 flat circular face. A cone has 1 curved edge and 1 vertex. Sphere. Solids like a ball, a globe, and a marble are in the shape of a sphere. A sphere has no face, no edge, and no vertex. It has only curved surface. Hemisphere. Hemispheres are solids formed by cutting a sphere into 2 equal halves. For example, a bowl. Prism. A solid whose 2 bases or ends are parallel, plane polygons, and other faces are rectangles is called a prism. Triangular prism. A triangular prism has 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular side faces. It has 9 edges and 6 vertices. Rectangular prism. A prism whose base and top are congruent rectangles and lateral faces are rectangles is called a rectangular prism. Pentagonal prism. A prism whose base and top are congruent pentagons and lateral faces are rectangle is called a pentagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. A prism whose base and top are congruent hexagonal and lateral faces are rectangles is called a hexagonal prism. Pyramid. A pyramid is a solid whose base is a plane rectilinear figure and whose side faces are triangular having a common vertex. The common vertex is called the vertex of the pyramid. Since the side faces of all pyramids are triangles, a pyramid is named after its base. Also, the number of side faces that a pyramid has is equal to the number of sides in the base. Square pyramid. It is a pyramid whose base is a square and side faces are triangles. It has 5 vertices and 8 edges. It has 5 faces of which 1 is a square and 4 are triangles. Triangular pyramid or tetrahedron. It is a pyramid whose base is a triangle and side faces are also triangles having a common vertex. It has 4 triangular faces, 4 vertices and 6 edges.